Good morning. Welcome to a brand new vlog. Hi guys. Good morning. If you are new, my name is Ruth. I am Mrs. K. But you can call me whatever you want, really. Yeah, guys, if you're coming back, welcome back to another vlog. Okay, today is a Thursday. My husband's birthday is next week, Wednesday, right? So I know I promised I was gonna go with you guys to shop for his birthday present, like his main birthday present, which is actually the Hugo Boss Alexa. Apparently it's like the newest edition. Smells so good. I got it in Gibbs because my husband just had some reservations with perfumes in this area. He says they don't last. Please, I don't know. That's what he said, so I took his word for it and just did what he would like. So I bought that for him, and then I've always wanted to do the 5 senses for him. Guys, I really appreciate this man. I want him to know, like, I appreciate him so much. I love him so much because he loves me, like, literally. So I plan to get him, obviously I'm new here, I'm not really like familiar with the area, but he is. I was trying to go on Amazon. Actually, if I could show you guys, I was using my phone though. That's my husband's phone. He's not here, he's at work. So I want to do the 5 senses. I don't know where I'm gonna print anything. Amazon doesn't have the already printed ones. AliExpress doesn't have the already printed ones. Shein doesn't have it. And these are the 3 apps that I could order from on my own. Just put in the address and that I would have them delivered. But I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know any printing shops around. I don't know nothing. And I don't want to use a pen because it looks so neat. Yeah, now yesterday he tells me, I'm asking him, because I initially wanted to take him out for dinner. That's gonna be like his taste, you know, just like a dinner reservation in a restaurant somewhere nearby. Man tells me we're going to Cardiff. How am I gonna do that? Look at Cardiff, like how am I gonna get everything? Because I plan to get balloons, even if it's not helium balloons, because I couldn't find them when I searched on Google. Just balloons I've seen DIY. It's of a girl, Baba, like tape, double-sided tape on the ceiling, and then the ribbon, yeah, like what I say, looks nice, and then those, and then light some candles for him. How am I gonna do that if we're in Cardiff? AliExpress is cheaper in the gift bags and gift boxes, but they say delivery date is from the 11th, from the 3rd of July to the 11th of July. My husband's birthday is on the 3rd. Amazon is like 3 times more expensive, but they're gonna deliver this weekend. Latest is like the 1st of July if I order today. Also, how am I gonna carry everything without him knowing? Because like if they were gonna deliver here, I was just gonna hide it somewhere in the house and then probably set up in the living room and then surprise him with it. But that's all I got for now. I wanted to get him the Rich Dad Poor Dad book. My husband used to love reading a lot. I don't know why he stopped, so I wanted to get him that because he's always had his eye on that book. And then I asked him if he had headsets. I knew he had them, but he doesn't. So probably like headsets. And then I'm gonna get him obviously for smell, it's the perfume. And then what am I missing? I'll write it down on the screen because I can't forget. Because I can't remember now. I have like a whole folder in my phone taking notes for what I plan to do. So yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. He got me these flowers upon arrival. I have not put them in a vase yet because I couldn't find a pair of scissors, but he's brought them here. So I just want to cut the stems, put them in the vase properly, and then I'm just gonna chill. Probably gonna cook like way later because he's only gonna knock off like in the evening. So I'm home alone. I am so bored. Like I have so much time on my hands. I was just cleaning. Yesterday I did laundry because he was working again. Today I was just folding up everything and just cleaning up, you know, the area. I just love doing that. I like seeing my husband's life just be easy. You know, I want him to get up and just go to work. But yeah, let's get to this and then we'll see. I'll keep updating you guys, got the birthday preps. Yeah. Can you guys believe? I'm so lazy to go take my tripod. Can you guys believe it's literally like past 7 p.m. See how the sun's hitting my face? Yep. We got the Fanta orange yesterday. I forgot to put on my ring. I was just taking a shower right now. We got the Fanta orange yesterday and it literally tastes like Fanta orange light plus lemon. Yeah, the other day, the day I arrived, my husband made us buy the Fanta passion fruit twist, passion something, fruit twist. Guys, it literally tastes like juice. There's no fizzy in it at all. Let me show you. Just gonna show you from here. So, yep, it's made with fruit juice. So it's the Fanta fruit twist. I don't like it. And then this one is the Fanta orange. You got the Fanta orange here. Yeah, guys. And then that's the Coke. Coke tastes like Coke with a little hint of vanilla. But I liked it. It was expensive though. Very expensive. I think it was like oopsie. The 500 ml was like £1 and something. And this 2 liter is £2, like £1.99. Yeah, crazy. Another day in the UK. Hi guys, I'm having a tic tac. So, okay. Oh yeah, okay. My husband and I are going into town. We are going to get a few stuff for the house. So I thought, let me take you along. Yeah, it's a walking distance. Sorry, it's a walking distance. So yeah, let's go. You wanna say hi? So much better. Well, back home, I'm exhausted. Even took off my jersey and put this on. Quickly show you guys what we got. Got this pizza. I don't know when we're gonna make this. It looks nice. Might add a little bit of seasoning, just to be safe. Beef, pork, chicken wings, smash burger, chicken breast, frozen french fries, bananas, tortilla, capsules for the washing machine, Coke for the girl, some cookies, yeast, cabbage, sweet corn. Tell me what there's two in here. More bananas, peppers, nudgies, cappuccino, grapes, cheddar cheese. That's it. So, and my husband got some stuff from Mountain Warehouse. I'll probably show you guys once I get there. Some Vaseline in a local pharmacy. I'm having a hard time finding hair food. My scalp is the driest you can ever find. I keep seeing hair mask, hair something. Definitely not hair food. I need hair food. So today I felt like I wanted my money. We had McDonald's. McDonald's was not nice, guys. It was the worst I've ever had. I ordered a wrap, a grilled chicken wrap with bacon. The sauce, it just didn't smell right, didn't taste right. It was the pits. But the other burger was nice. The Big Mac was nice. It's okay. It tastes like the one we get from South Africa. So, thank you, baby. Yeah, so I don't know. I wanted to make wrap today, but the way I'm tired. Also, another part of me is saying I should make madumbi with beef stew because my husband's not working today. Okay, wrap it is. The girls have bloomed. Aw, how cute. Guess what we got? Amazon packages here. They sent an email though saying they're gonna like separate my order and then they're gonna ship the other things once they're available. But they never said that when I wanted to order. Yo, so oh, is this how the actual book looks? Is it this small? Okay. Yeah, it's this novel, I did say, Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. I got nail stuff. If you guys know, I do my own nails. So, it's a bunch of files. These are a lot. And then, you know, some cuticle remover, cuticle pusher. I actually need to do my toenails. And then I got a pair of these cute bow. I don't know if you guys know, but these have been trending a lot. So since we're gonna go to Cardiff, I thought it would be nice for me to wear one. I just look like a girl. I'm gonna look like such a girl. Aww. So how cute. How stunning. Oh my god. So it's the white one and the black one. So that's what we have received so far. I got a massage roller. I'm so sorry for the noise. I got a massage roller. And what else is missing? Oh, and a pair of headsets from Amazon. So I'll show you guys when they get here. But so far so good. I just need to hide this book, but I'm just gonna put it in my luggage bag. I'm just gonna put the book in my luggage bag. It's not like my husband's gonna notice. Yeah, you all know. The massage roller is here. Just had somebody knocking. And Amazon just sent an email. Here we go. I don't know what else is here. It's so heavy. This is what we're having for dinner. Wish me luck. But honestly, there's no way this can taste good. There's no way I will. I thought I was gonna add extra cheese because I only saw like this part, that open area. So I didn't think they put cheese on the side, but they did. Honestly, they did. Anyways, wish me luck.
That's one. Okay.
Okay. Let's just put it on top here. Thank
Okay,
you.
ready?
Thank you so much. That's
Right,
fine.
cheers.
Thank
Ta-ra.
you. Guys, I've been waiting for this package. Oh. I ordered something off of Pretty Little Thing. I ordered I think it's like a very long, I don't know if I should call it jacket or coat. Yeah. I'm so excited to see how it fits. So excited. Wow. This is cute. This is nice. Oh my god, can you look at the color? Ooh. Wow. The material. Guys, this was like 10 pounds or 11 pounds. The material, I got a size 10. It's cream. Oh, I love it. You, the length. Oh, guys, there's no way. Oh. It goes all the way. And I'm a tall girl. Let me try it on. PLT? Are you serious? The hands are perfect. The sizing is perfect. The length is perfect. What? Guys, I have a full body mirror in this house. I don't know how I can show you guys. I really don't know. What do you even mean? Oh my god. Sweetie, guess what my husband got me? Guess what this man got me, child? Guess. My man got me their Adidas Sambas. I screamed. I literally screamed because I've been wanting these shoes for the longest time. If you guys watched my previous vlog, I got like a denim dress that I so badly wanted to wear with the Sambas, but the girl did not have the Sambas. And this man been listening to me, girl, because yesterday the package got delivered. He wasn't home. I didn't even check. I just took it, put it in the dining room, you know. And when he knocked off, he's like, "Didn't I receive anything?" I'm like, "Yeah, sure you did." So he took it. He came to the room. So when I came upstairs, there he was. He had already unboxed them. He put them like that. So when I opened the door, I'm like, is this for real? Like, am I seeing what I'm seeing? He's like, "Yep." Oh my god, guys, I nearly cried. I love these so much. I actually would not mind a whole collection. All colors, baby, because I love me some Sambas. I love. Oh my gosh. Do you see that? Do you see this? Sweetie, do you? Yeah. Do you see that? Do you? Love them. I cannot wait to wear these. We're going to Cardiff tomorrow. I don't know if I'm gonna wear my coat. I probably will because it's a bit gloomy. So excited.
£6 altogether, please.
Hey guys, it's my husband's birthday today. Oh. I'm so excited. I managed to smuggle all his gifts in our luggage bag. So we all packed. We both packed in one luggage bag, and then when he went to shower, I just put everything and then I closed the bag. So I just told him, don't close it, I need to put my makeup in the bag and stuff. So yeah, I did that. I still need to get some boxes or paper bags. I don't know how I'm gonna label them, and then some helium balloons, and lastly a cake. Might need to get the balloons when I'm with him, because how else am I gonna do it? And then as for the cake, I don't know where I'm gonna get it. We'll see. So yeah, it's about 10:20. Our train leaves the station in 10 minutes. Yeah, in 10-15 minutes. We've just sat and had coffee just in the cafe here. So yeah, let us go and enjoy my baby's birthday. Honestly, we don't know the plan as yet for the day. I'm just waiting for him to decide what he wants to do. But he said I'm gonna surprise him. So we might do like games and stuff during the day, and then check in at the hotel, probably do dinner later. We'll see. But yeah, this is my outfit. I'm just wearing these boots. I'm wearing these boots because it was drizzling this morning. I was meant to wear my new sandals. Hello. But yeah, because it was drizzling, I don't want to ruin my new shoes, okay? And apparently it's gonna be raining a bit in Cardiff as well. We'll see. But yeah, let's go.
We are now approaching Cardiff Central, which is our final stop. When leaving us here, please make sure you have all your luggage and belongings with you. Thank you for travelling with Transport for Wales.
Guys, it's so cold. It is so cold here and windy. I'll take this jersey. I like it. Nice. Thank you so much. Like I gotta go side. Oh, yeah.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. Is my secret safe? Safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies?
This is the outside area. Can you see the bay from here? Oh, you actually can. That's nice. It's over there. I'll show you guys properly. Space for our clothes and everything. My husband, the TV. The bathroom is still dark. Haven't figured out how to switch on the lights. But this is the bathroom. Looks clean. Towels, bath mat, bathtub, more towels, and all that stuff. All right. Okay. This is actually the door from the actual entrance. This is what you will see. There's just that one chair with a side table. Not much to see though. And then this is where you enter the room. All right. That's my husband way over there. This man.
Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, that feeling just grows stronger. She'll leave it alone, but you're still getting closer. We both know it's wrong.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my baby. Hello. I saw this trend on TikTok, and I just thought, like, you deserve this. Happy birthday. I want each and every one of these gifts. Just, I don't know, they make you think of it. Like, Victor was. Baby, you haven't even smelled it.
I can smell it.
Oh, okay.
Maybe need to take your show.
Oh my gosh.
Okay,
I have to check the manual or something.
come on.
Low-key, all of them done they notice. I'm not joking, all my guys, them know me. Since 06, I've been writing this story.
We are off to Quay. Is it Quay? Something. Let's get a shower. Hi, birthday boy. How are you? You're good, babe. Okay. Wearing the same jeans because my skirt just didn't make sense with this outfit. My skirt was just too much with this jersey and the samba styling. Hello.
see Hubby.
Gaan ons het toch? Very nice, bro.
Later, brother, man.
So,
They are nice, though.
we're at this restaurant. No, wait, no. So, we placed an order at pizza because we didn't see anything else that we like. I said some chicken wings, lemon and something chicken wings, which are from the starters. So the lady was like, would you like some, did she say tomatoes? Tomatoes or olives? My husband was like, olives. She's like, oh, I'll get the olives then. But we thought we were putting the olives on the pizza. Sometimes, oh, what I sometimes I can't hear people here. I honestly can't. I laugh it off and then just pretend I can hear sometimes. That's not bad, honestly.
Yeah, not bad.
Let me taste one. I'm not a fan of olives. Do you taste like normal olives or what?
No, I don't think so. I think by age, let's say, Mama will have to make it a bit of sourness, but it's not that of an ash. We got it.
Oh no, I did bad, but
Yeah, no.
what business do I have eating olives?
Just, you kept it out because they didn't like it.
30 minutes.
Or what do we care?
Oh, baby. It is so cold, child. Good morning. It is the 4th of July and we are headed to the spa. However, my husband and I didn't bring anything for the spa because we we honestly thought it's gonna be cold. The weather said it was gonna be very, very cold the entire time we were here, which was yesterday and today. So luckily I brought a swimsuit. Didn't bring flops whatsoever, so I'm wearing my sambas, my husband's shirt. It's a mess. A big mess. The light was horrible in there. Good morning. off to breakfast. That looks so cute. It's a bit warmer today. The sun's out. That's my outfit.
Picture on my mirror, start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Trying to stand, but my knees go weak.
The weather is giving very much Cape Town. It's cold now, windy, then the sun comes out and it's so hot, and then we're back to being cold and also sunny in the morning. I decided to wear my skirt, a very short skirt, pleated skirt with sambas, no stockings whatsoever, and a long sleeved top that I got yesterday from Zara. Luckily I had this not far from the paper bag. It's actually my husband's. Got it yesterday as well from Zara. So yeah, I had to put this on real quick. See, now it's sunny. But yeah, we checked out of the hotel, but they were kind enough to hold our bags till we're ready to leave. So we just came by. Our initial plan was to get ice cream because we saw that it was sunny in the morning, but our walk here was windy and cold, so I don't know. Plus we just had our breakfast. We're kind of full, so maybe when my husband decides to get ice cream, I'm gonna get coffee. Hey, can I start? Can I start? Hey, guess what? So we're just sitting here enjoying the boats as they leave. It looks too risky for us to try, honestly. It's only one on the water. Oh, one. Hey,
What's happening to me in the dark? Can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why. You always on my door, yeah. Come around like it's baby, when I see you, when I see you, baby, when I never know when you might walk by. So I gotta be right when I see you, when I see you. I scribble X and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. I feel myself in the zone, get nervous when you're gone. I say I'm not home. See your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the number one topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? Yeah. I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. On the Starbucks side.
Y'all didn't think to tell me that other Burger King's drinks are not bottomless. And yeah, for the Michelin drink. How are you?
What's the reason why? Yeah. You're always sexy boy. You're sexy boy.
Hey guys, we are back to base. We're back home. We had so much fun in Cardiff, by the way. We had the best food in, I don't know if it's called pizzeria, whatever you call it. That place in Quay something. The food was everything. That one where we are having the olives, the wings, the pizza, everything is just beautiful. Everything is nice. It's a beautiful place. The food is seasoned to perfection. I've been struggling finding good food since I came here. But yeah, we also ordered Burger King on our way back, like coming here. We had that for dinner. Loved it so much. It tasted so good. Yeah, but I wish we had Burger King right where I am. But I just wanted to show you guys a few stuff that I got from Zara. First off, I got this dress. Guys, I'm not gonna try them on because then this video is gonna be way too long. But I got this dress. It's a short dress. Beautiful. Love it. Has like a little bit of sparkle. It's like a night dress, a dress that you'd wear going out at night, like with the girls, or just date night with baby if it's not too cold, or maybe just put like a coat over it. I love it so much. My husband picked this for me actually. The other top I already wore. I think I did show you guys sometime in this vlog. It was £10, did I say? This was £8. This top was £8. Got it in a medium. The dress, I think I got this dress in a size small. One thing about Zara sizes though, this top I got in a medium. It's just this, I don't know how to describe it, but yeah, it has like a high neck, sleeveless. Love it. £8, got in a medium. I got this jersey. I don't want to be too long because I'm running out of memory. This jersey in a size small, it was £13. Love it. Love it so much. Okay, I love it so much, you guys. I really do. I was so skeptical about it at first, but now I'm so happy about it. I love it so much. Honestly, didn't get a lot. Hey, got this bag, guys. If I was to get into my screenshots and show you guys how many times I screenshot this baby right here, I want her so much with the matching shoes to Zara. I'll put them on the side. I actually checked online and they still have them. I will get them one day. This was the last brown bag they had in store in Cardiff, but I'm pretty sure they have them online. They had the brown and the black. I wanted in both colors, but yeah, I decided to go with the brown as the first one. It does have longer straps on the inside. Such a beautiful bag. Such a beautiful bag. The quality is unmatched. So yeah, just trying to show you guys the inside of the bag. And that is the strap. That is the strap. So I can always use this, remove that, or just use this. I love it so much. Yeah, that's all I got. The rest of the stuff were for my husband. It was so overwhelming being in the shop though. I think I'm seeing more stuff that I like online than I did in store, because obviously we went there like around lunch hour. It was a lot of people in the shop, so everything was just all over the place. Like there's another bag that I was specifically looking for in Zara that I did not find actually in store. It was there online. When I checked, they had it in the same store that we went to in Cardiff, but they didn't have it when you go to the shop. I guess it's sold out. It's no longer available online either. But it's fine. It's okay. I'll find more things that I like. I also got the nude jersey that I tried on from TJ Maxx. That shop is so overwhelming. They have so many things. It's so overwhelming, guys. There's a lot to pick from. So I ended up just taking that jersey. Look at that jersey. I liked it for my husband. He tried it on. It didn't fit him. I'm like, I'll take it. I tried it on. It fit me perfectly. Sure, took it. Also tried on some, like, I think 2 pairs of pants that did not fit at all. But yeah, they have so many things. I'm not really gonna go back to that shop, and this time around I will show you guys proper. Anyways, I wanted to close off this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, to leave me a comment, and most importantly, check if you're subscribed, and please share this with more people, just so we reach more people to watch my channel. Honestly, I'm trying to make money. Okay, please watch the ads. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I appreciate you. I don't know why I look pale. Heyyyyy. That is so much better. It's not. Heyyyyy, guys. I think there's just too much light coming in. Bye, guys. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye.